Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Stala Sweets Events Place. Ayan, so, thank you so much from the very start, from inquiring, preparation, throughout the entire wedding preparation, and until the party. Super thankful kami sa inyo and grateful for accommodating us, for helping us na mas mapadali yung wedding planning natin. Or yung wedding night. So, many thanks to Miss Princess, Miss Casey, from the very start until now, napaka hands-on. Lagi ako nire-remind. Yeah, thank you so much sa mga OTD coordinators natin, church, and reception coordinators, staffs, lahat-lahat ng kanilang suppliers na kasama dito. Thank you so much kasi napaka-friendly, helpful nila sa amin. And wala akong masabi, kundi thank you sa lahat kasi naging okay at naging masaya lahat ng mga guests natin. And sabi kanina ng ilan po, sobrang ganda and sobrang saya ng aming ang tawag dito, party. Thank you kay Miss Kathleen. Thank you so much po.
So, yun guys, highly recommended nga itong Stella Sweets Events Place. Number one, unang punta namin dito, sobrang ganda. At hindi ko inakala na ganito yung itsura ng event place na. Kasi sa labas, alam mo naman, parang normal na building na siya, pero pagpasok ko sa loob, para siyang fantasy. So, yun, hindi na kami nagdalawang isip, kinuha namin agad. And also, yung mga tao, professional, on time lagi, and lagi nagre-remind sa mga dapat gawin namin. At hindi siya nagiging hassle sa mga namin, para sa kasal namin. So, thank you so much, Stala, and i-recommend ko to sa mga kaibigan and sa other family members.
Again, thank you so much for accommodating all of our requests, for helping us to achieve this beautiful wedding of ours. Many thanks to you and God bless Stella Sweets.
Thank you.